All right, so hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming and watching. I have a quick tutorial for you guys with the strawberry cheesecake chocolate bar palette from Revolution, I Heart Revolution. I'm really liking this. It is a pink toned chocolate bar palette. If you want to see the colors, swatches, this tutorial, please keep watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And if you want to keep watching to see this look, please do. I'd appreciate it, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thanks guys. Let's get going. Okay, so I'm gonna do this eye here first for you guys. I hope the lighting is good. I'm using the strawberry cheesecake, if you can't remember. It's this lovely like pink toned colored palette. There you go, perfect. I'm just going to close my blinds just a little more because the sun decided to really shine on us. So, okay, so first brush I'm going to go in with is the Blank Canvas actually no, I don't want to use that one. I'm going to use the Blank Canvas E41 brush today, and I'm going to go in with the color Base and try that color in the crease first. Kind of like a light, there's a good bit of kick off with this. That's why I haven't done my foundation or concealer yet, because I don't know how much fallout there will be. I just decided to do the eyes first. So that color is coming off quite light, which is fine because this is just a transition shade. We can build it up a little bit. I hope you guys can see. Trying to make it a little darker for you guys. Still trying to work on the right lighting to get for this video. This color is really, really pretty. I'm not caring for the smell of this palette. It still kind of has that chocolatey scent, but I feel like it maybe has a hint of like a fake strawberry scent in there. Oh, right. We're just doing the one eye. We're just doing the one eye. Okay, so we went in with that color. I just want to bring it up just a little bit higher. Okay, perfect. So that's Base there. It is a little bit light pink, kind of good. It's a great transition, or all over the lid, whichever you want. It is called Base. Okay, then I'm going to go in with, we're going to go in with a little bit of Pinch, which is this gorgeous color here. Super cute. I have not worn pink eyeshadow in, I don't know, if you follow me regularly, you're probably like, wow, Ashley's really going out of her comfort zone. Pink is not a color I wear regularly on the eye. Can you guys see how these two colors are looking together? We're getting that little bit more of a vibrant peachy pink kind of color on the eye, which I'm really liking, to be honest. So this is Pinch. Again, beautiful, very vibrant, bringing it pretty much really far in, almost the whole way. Ooh, I like that color Pinch a lot. This is a beautiful palette so far. I'm really liking this palette. Then we're gonna go in with the color Juicy because I cannot. It's just super pretty. That's this color here. Using the same brush, I want these all to kind of blend together a little bit, but not too much. And I just quickly wipe off the brush on an old towel or whatever I have around. Oh, this is a really kind of a hot pink. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing this color. Whew, okay. Well, we're going pink, so, and I'm just bringing this just a little bit lower down because I don't want to lose Pinch, color Pinch, that kind of peachy color. So we're just bringing Juicy on the edge, inwards, but low down. Wow, okay. These colors are very pigmented. I'm not getting any fallout yet with the mattes, which is great. I'm just adding and adding until I have the desired color I want. So I'm going to go then and just get a clean blending brush. This is the E21 from Blank Canvas, and I'm just gonna blend the top of this just a little bit, just to make sure it's all blended in. That's a clean brush. Back in, just cleaning off this brush. Back in with the E41. I'm gonna go in with, there's strawberry and there's flavor to kind of darken. I think I'm gonna go with flavor, which is this color right here. And this is just gonna go on the outer edge of the eye because again, you don't wanna lose the pink. I do find this is kind of a darker pinky red kind of color. So I'm just bringing this just on the edge just to kind of deepen up the eye that little bit because I don't want to lose that hot pink juicy color. Going back in with juicy just a little bit again, just to bring that hot pink because I really want this color to not turn burgundy or red. I want it to be like pink. So go back in with pinch, just a little bit on the very tip, and I'm just gonna bring pinch again, just to the top edge part. And with flavor and a little on the edge. Okay, then we're gonna go to the lid. And for the lid color, we are gonna do, there's so many. There's Petal, Syrup, and Drizzle, which all look beautiful. They even have a gold in here, but I don't want to do gold. They have a nice color called Fluff, which looks like it'll be good for the inner corner. So I'm gonna go, I think Syrup is brighter pink. Okay, so Drizzle is the light pink and Syrup is the darker pink. I hope you guys can see that there. Just give it a second. Yeah. So I think I'm going to go in with the lighter one called Drizzle, which just looks like this one here. That's Drizzle, and Syrup was this shade here. It's just that tad bit darker than Drizzle. I'm going to take Drizzle and I'm going to apply that to the eye. I'm going to try it without wet. Sorry, without being wet. It works okay. It's punchy, but it's not punchy enough. So I'm just gonna add a little to my brush again, Drizzle. And I'm just gonna spray my brush. And now apply Drizzle. Yeah, that helped a good bit. Just because I really wanted it to be punchy. Then we're gonna go in with the F41 again, and we're just gonna blend that top bit. We're gonna add a little bit of Juicy again onto the brush, just that little bit, and blend. That's really pretty. So inner corner, we are gonna do the Fluff. It's like a white, like a glittery white. Get it, there we are, right there, that's Fluff. We're gonna apply that to the inner corner because I like my inner corner to pop. I don't know if this has like a pink undertone or anything to it, so I'm not quite sure. That's pretty. I'm not gonna add a lot, and then I'm gonna I don't know, I was gonna go to the next eye. I'm gonna add a little bit of that under the brow bone, just a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna go do the other eye, and I'll come back to you guys. I'll do the other eye, foundation, and everything like that, and then we will finish the under part. Be right back. That's the eyes done, other than mascara. So I'm just going to place Essence Lash Princess mascara on my top lashes, and my bottom lashes I'm going to use the Maybelline Pumped Up. Mine's almost gone. I'm going to have to get another one. Mascara from, it's waterproof, so it's the waterproof one for my bottom lashes because I have a lot of problem with like transferring under my eyes. So yeah, I'm going to go do that and I'll be right back. Alright, so that's the eyes done here. I just put a little bit of Juicy and Flavor that I used at the top underneath. And then I added a little bit of Slice, which is this like coppery brown color. I'm going to show you guys now swatches of this palette. So that's it upside down. So that is it the right way. It just looks like that. So the first color is Fluff, and it's a white, and it just looks like, okay, I didn't do my swatches very good here, so bear with me. Okay, so here are the swatches of all the colors, you guys. Hopefully you can see that. I'm trying to get the camera to adjust, okay? So you have Fluff, which is this like white here, and then it goes all the way across and down. These colors are absolutely stunning. I love them so much. They're really pigmented, just like all their other chocolate bar palettes. They're really shiny and gorge. So yeah, that's them. So that is the Strawberry Cheesecake palette. I love it. Look at this like pink. It's so pretty. There we go. Always have to give it camera just a minute. And the swatches are stunning. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmers, and then the rest are matte. So really liking this strawberry palette. It gives you a gorgeous kind of pink eye, which I think is kind of in at the moment. I'm really liking it anyway. I'm wearing a pink shirt. So it's a little vibrant pink. It's not too light. And the lovely shade there is Dazzle, I believe is what it was called. So yeah, guys, that is the eye look from the Strawberry Cheesecake palette. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more of these chocolate bar palette looks, please leave a comment down below saying which chocolate bar palette you'd like to see a look from. I have the s'mores one. I have about 15 of them. So if there's anyone you'd particularly like to see, let me know. And I can hopefully do that for you. So thank you so much. Until next time, guys, take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time.